Today, I'm showing you real free certifications you can take online that increase your salary, qualify you for better remote jobs, and help you compete globally. Welcome to Earn Smart Nigeria, the channel where you learn practical ways to earn more without wasting time or money. If you're new here, hit subscribe, like the video, and let's begin. 1. Google Digital Productivity Certificate. This certification teaches digital organization, fast workflow systems, file management, AI-assisted productivity, and workplace communication. Why it boosts salary. Companies now value people who can manage digital tasks efficiently, especially remote teams. Salary impact: 100,000 naira to 500,000 naira monthly for virtual assistant, operations, and admin roles. Where to learn free. Google Skillshop. 2. IBM Data Literacy Certificate. Not data analysis, data literacy. You learn how to read data, interpret dashboards, understand trends, and make simple, data-based decisions. Companies in Nigeria and abroad now require workers who can understand basic data. Jobs you qualify for: junior analyst, assistant, report writer, research support, admin analyst. Salary impact: 250,000 naira depending on industry. Where to take it free. IEM Skills Build. 3. HubSpot CMS Developer Certification. While everyone is doing marketing or SEO, very few people focus on CMS development for businesses. You learn how websites are structured, how to edit web pages, upload content, fix layout issues, and manage landing pages. Remote companies pay well for people who can maintain CMS sites. Salary impact: 300,000 naira to 900,000 naira monthly. Platform: HubSpot Academy 100% free. 4. LinkedIn Learning Workplace Communication Certificate. This covers email writing, report structure, conflict-free communication, and clear documentation skills employers value heavily. Quiet introverts, remote workers, and support staff benefit the most. It increases your chances of landing international remote roles because communication quality matters more than accent. Salary impact: 200,000 naira to 600,000 naira monthly. How to learn free. Search LinkedIn Learning Free access through library. Many libraries and institutions give free entry. 5. Meta Social Media Customer Support Certificate. This one is new and demand is rising fast. You learn how to manage messages, handle customer inquiries professionally, respond quickly, and maintain brand tone. Perfect for WhatsApp, Instagram, and website chat support jobs, especially for small businesses. Salary impact: 102,000 naira to 450,000 naira monthly for part-time chat roles alone. Where to take free Meta Blueprint. 6. Amazon Web Services, Cloud Foundations AWS, Cloud Basics. Don't panic, this is not advanced cloud engineering. Foundations teaches basic cloud terms, how cloud storage works, and how companies use the cloud. This gives you credibility for support, junior IT, and cloud assistant jobs. Salary impact: 300,000 naira to 1.2 million naira monthly, depending on pathway. Where to learn free. AWS Skill Builder. 7. Canva Visual Communication Certificate. This one is perfect for remote workers who prefer silent tasks. You learn professional visual communication, designing clean slides, info sheets, business graphics, and social templates. Businesses hire people who can create clear visuals without needing a designer. Salary impact: 150,000 naira to 600,000 naira monthly. Where to take free. Canva Design School. With these certifications, you are not chasing the same crowded skills everyone is doing. You're learning practical, demand abilities that companies actually pay for. Pick one, finish it this week, update your CV, and start applying to beginner-friendly remote roles immediately. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and comment. Which certification will you start first?